Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to download and how to install DaVinci Resolve absolutely free of any operating system like Windows, Mac and Linux operating system. So how to do it? Let's start as a demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So simply open here Google and just type here DaVinci Resolve. So look at this, the first link is display here. DaVinci Resolve is a color correction and non-linear video editing application for Mac, Windows and Linux, originally developed by the DaVinci system. Using the software, you can edit your video like Netflix web series or Hollywood movie like Avengers, and so many movies they are editing using this software. Look at this here in this particular screen. They are editing using the software such kind of web series or movies like Godzilla latest movie. They edit here in Indian movies Savo and some other movies. So let's start how to download it. Just simply click here. Look at this here, DaVinci 17s are available, professional editing, color effects and audio. Best, simply click here, download. The version is come here, which operating system you are using, accordingly download. Windows, Mac and Linux. So simply I have Mac, so I just type here my first name, my last name, like my company name and my email address. So accordingly I add here my phone number. It's mandatory because of asking you regarding this information, and then where exactly you are living, and I just simply type here Rome. No need to other information you fill out, just simply register and download. After just fill up such kind of information, the software is automatically downloading or starting. The software quite huge amount of size, so you need to take some time to for the downloading perspective. After finish the download, I will show you. Almost software is downloaded. Just I simply open my download folder here. So look at this, DaVinci software is downloaded here. Size is 2.54. I just simply extract. First of all, click twice. Simply follow my instruction how to install the software. You can just see how to install the software. Same process you can do Windows and Linux also. I just click twice, wait couple of seconds, verification now going on. Depend upon your processor speed here. Just simply click here twice, install Resolve 17.2.2.pkg. I click twice and then continue, agree. The software are consuming my hard disk space like a 3.8486 gigabyte. Continue, add your system password here, install software. The software size is huge, take some time, depend upon your processor speed. Now installation is almost done. The installation was successfully done. Just simply close here. Now I just check here in my launchpad, software is installation process is done. Like, so just simply open here the DaVinci Resolve. I just click twice here, again wait couple of seconds. The software is starting, ongoing. Like the software background, this like the system here in the image. Ready. Now I select the project title. You can type here title also, otherwise in new project. This one is a software. I just simply add one video here. It's hope so I have available one video. So now I'm adding one video here. This one is a software for this graphical user interface. You can using this feature, some amount of colors and some facilities are available on that particular software. It's simple, download, install in any operating system. Upcoming videos I will show you how to edit your video using DaVinci Resolve software. It's very simple to download and install. If you have any suggestion related to this video, you can comment below. We will meet you upcoming video. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram. Same Research Rock. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.